So today we're going to look at this custom machine we built here. This is what we call our Type 8 computer. It's based off the Star Trek Type 7 computer seen on the original series show. This is a cabinet we've wired up with various Arduino boards to control these lights. There's also a Raspberry Pi inside that lets us use this thing as a computer. So we tried to stay pretty faithful to the show. Even these diskettes we have in the front here are modeled after they were the ones they used in the show. These can be popped in and out. Each one of them is a USB drive. It can be used for storage for the Raspberry Pi for various things. Our little ledge pulls out, so you can set your drink on there, or an arcade stick, which we're going to demonstrate in a bit. The RetroPie lets you run MAME, for instance, to make this into an arcade cabinet. Here we're using the remote to pop up the screen out of it. You can also just hit the button to pop it back down. We're going to look at that a little later. So yeah, the whole unit was custom built, work went into the design, but we tried to stay faithful to the original series, while also giving it our own special flavor. So here we're going to demonstrate another feature. This is, you can open the door if you want to see how the wiring was done. We've included a clear glass panel to have a look, and also we have a functioning beer fridge, or whatever beverage of choice you want in there. So again, you can look there and see how the thing was wired up. It's pretty interesting. Close that up. So again, the idea here is it's a fridge, it's a lighting up computer, it has a working ledge to use as you want. It's also a RetroPie gaming machine if you'd like. So we're going to pop this up here and we're going to get ready to demonstrate the arcade sticks. And then you'll see how this all works. It's a pretty fancy little unit. So we'll just let that go up. Alright, here you see we've pulled the sticks out of the side cabinet that we have. This is the 2-player unit, so again, you can use these various diskettes if you'd like to load up various types of games. Like say you want to load up all your sports games on one, all your fighting games on another, or perhaps you want to include a Commodore 64 emulator on one, a Nintendo emulator on another, however you like. You can pop them in and out. They can be accessed by the Raspberry Pi. And then anyone who wants to game, you just have to hit some buttons, pop in some coins, and away you go.